Hello and welcome in this video. So this is another video which I want to talk about how to run a Python code. So as in the previous video, I talked about Python programming language and how to install Python or Python compiler, how to download, how to install. As I said that in Linux or Ubuntu, it is rebuilt or it is inbuilt. So we do not need to install this, but in Windows I think it's is must. We have to install, so we have to download the Python compiler and install. And to see the version is very important because there are many things which we know about the version and we want to, we have to run that. So this is the another video which I have here. One thing like print, let me, so this is the VS Code. Let me tell you about this environment. So this is the VS Code and the terminal of VS Code. I have the VS Code to have this course on, and I want to have everything here. So let's say print. So print is a function. What is a function? I'll talk about this later. So but in this video you just need to know that what is print. Print is a function which, after writing the print, we have this bracket and double quote or single quote. We just write double quote or single quote. So just forget about these things. We'll use objects and all that later on. We will talk about this. Only in this video we know this. The first thing, like everyone wants to have their name, the first program. I want to save this, and here I want to run python 3 main.py. So here it has the output. So what happened here? Like basically when we say that print, we have this thing, anything we can write here. So it is a function which has some output in the console, so which shows something when we write here. So let's have another thing. Hello world. We have hello world. There is my name, and in the second line there is hello world. I just want to run this. So 2 lines of codes are here which we have printed, Najam and hello world. So basically this is the first program. If you want to run this, you have to set up the compiler in your machine or in your computer. If you use Linux, you do not need to set all of them. You just run and you just start writing the code. So this is the first video. This is the first video which we have coded, which we have written something, and we have something in the as output. So in the next video we will talk about another thing which are the most important.